सब्सक्राइब कीजिए लाइनल डिसोजा चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए।
An infinity display you can't help falling for. Samsung Galaxy On6, always on.
Hey guys, this is Lionel. I have Samsung Galaxy On6 with me. This device has two different color variants, black and blue. The special feature of this smartphone which is chat over video. It has 13MP rear and 8MP front cam with LED flash. It has 1.6 GHz Octa-Core processor, infinity display of 5.6 inch, and it has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Camera will be the main thing in this smartphone. It has 13MP f1.9 camera with LED flash. It has live stickers and some other features. Front 8MP f1.9 camera with LED flash, selfie focus, beauty modes and some other features. Android Oreo operating system, Samsung Pay Mini, My Galaxy Video, HD plus AMOLED display are the features of this smartphone. You will get the face unlocking sensor and the fingerprint scanner for security, which works nicely in this device. Chat over video is the special feature in this device. You can chat when the video is going on. Galaxy On6 looks similar to the Samsung Galaxy J6, which was recently introduced by Samsung. The price of this device will be 14,490, which will be available only online.